Internet of Things is a network of physical devices, vehicles, home appliances, and other items embedded with electronics, softwares, sensors, actuators, and connectivity, which enables these things to connect, collect, and exchange data. IoT involves extending Internet connectivity beyond standard devices such as desktops, laptops, smartphones, and tablets to any range of traditionally dumbed or non-Internet enabled physical devices and everyday objects. Embedded with technology, these devices can communicate and interact over the Internet, and they can be remotely monitored and controlled.
Autonomous underwater vehicles, or unmanned underwater vehicles, are programmable robotic vehicles that, depending on their design, can drift, drive, or glide through the ocean without real-time control by human operators. AUVs are self-powered and self-guiding water vehicles, however, operate independently of humans. It is powered from the surface by an operator via a remote control. AUVs carry sensors to navigate autonomously and map features of the ocean. Typical sensors include compasses, depth sensors, magnetometers, thermistors, and conductivity probes. AUVs can be used for underwater survey mission, such as detecting and mapping submerged rocks, and obstructions that can be a hazard to navigation for commercial and recreational vessels.
The autonomous underwater vehicle has revolutionized the field of ocean research. They transform heavy and expensive research equipment for ocean academic research as a tool for solving wide ranges of issues in many theoretical and practical fields. In the Galapagos movie, Nature's Wonderland 3D, they used a non-automated underwater submarine to study the species of all types of sea creatures, from large ocean animals down to the microscopic organisms. Using a non-automated underwater submarine, it can risk the lives of people since they are faced with a vast number of dangers, for example, the sea level. According to studies, it is unsafe to be at least 100 feet below because the capacity of the oxygen in our tissues can cause us to have a difficult time breathing. Even if you're in a submarine, as it can still cause the outside of the surface to crack, exposing to dangers. Using IoT, the Internet of Things, which is a futuristic technology that provides the interconnection of devices, it can make possible automations of daily devices, as it will significantly influence scientific expeditions and biodiversity-related researches since it will improve the communication between devices and the devices are able to stay connected. Because they are connected, they can be digitally controlled with a wireless infrastructure which can make the expedition safe without risking a life. Also, the monitor can collect information that could not have been previously connected easily. Lastly, all the applications of IoT can culminate to increase the comfort, convenience, and better manage, thereby improving the quality of life. Hence, as the world becomes more advanced, technology would also follow, which potentially use the IoT can significantly influence scientific expeditions and biodiversity-related researches.
To conclude, autonomous underwater vehicles, or AUVs, are remarkable machines that revolutionize the process of gathering ocean data. Their major breakthroughs resulted from successful developments of complementary technologies to overcome the challenges associated with autonomous operation in harsh environments. Most of these advances aimed at reaching new application scenarios and decreasing the cost of ocean data collection by reducing ship time and automating the process of data gathering with accurate geolocation. With the present capabilities, some novel paradigms are already being employed to further exploit the onboard intelligence by making decisions online based on real-time interpretation of sensor data.